Hey guys, what's up? This is Mubin and you're watching SMS Technical, and we are back after a long time. How is everybody? I hope you all are well in this pandemic. Please stay safe, follow social distancing, wear your mask and take your vaccines. And going back to the video content, today we are here with the BAP of all the phones. We have the Realme X7 Max. This is the 5G ready phone, dual 5G, dual SIM card. It has the highest and the most latest processor that is there in the market. It has the highest speed. It will beat any of the phone available in the market. So without further ado, let's get started. Now we are getting back to the device. We are getting back to the box. This is the Realme box that we get, that is the retail box. It says #1 quality smartphone brand and it has asterisks, so there might be some terms and condition involved. Okay, so we'll dig inside this box, we'll unbox it and we'll show you the contents, and then we'll show you how the phone performs. So let's get started. So this is our Realme box, the retail box, with the Realme name and logo, everything on the either side of the box. Here you can see this is the Asteroid black variant or the Asteroid black version, and this is the 12GB and 256GB variant. The 12GB is the RAM and the 256GB is the ROM, that is the internal memory. These are the other details. You can see, you can check it out, no issues at all. So on the flip side of the box, here you can see that it says this is the Android device and it has Google apps with it, and then we can see that it has a lot of other stuff, so you can check. And as I explained, this is the Realme X7 and it has Dimensity 1200 5G processor. It has 120Hz Super AMOLED full screen. It has 50-watt Super Dart charge, that is a fast charge, and it has the Sony 64 megapixel, and that is the triple cam setup for this device. So now we'll go inside and we'll check the box contents. So this is how it comes out, and here you can see that it has Dare to Leap, and on unboxing it, the first thing that we see is there is a small box inside this, and it has the SIM ejector tool, and we'll check this box. Okay, so this box, when we open it, you can check that it will have a case, a phone case, a silicone case that most of the phone providers, phone manufacturers are providing, a decent quality phone case. Now we'll check the box contents, we'll check the device. So here is our device. Here is our X7 Max. So we'll keep it aside and we'll check the other details, other box contents. And here is our charger cable. So I'll just show you. This cable is the Type-C cable, USB and Type-C, as you can see here. Okay, let me just zoom and show you that. Okay, so this is the Type-C cable for the charging, and we have leaflets inside it, the safety guide, you can go through it later on, and then we have the quick guide showing you how to insert the SIM and other details, and there we have the Super Dart charge adapter. So this is the adapter that we'll use to charge this phone. So here on the right side of this we can see some details that it is a made in India product, and the output of this is 50 volt 2 ampere or 10 volt 6.5 ampere. That is the max capacity of it. Okay, so yeah, that's it about these box details. Now we'll go into our phone. So as I told you, this is our Asteroid black variant, and this is a matte finish one. You can hear that. Okay, it says Realme Dare to Leap, multicolored logo, you can see there, and it has the camera setup. Let me show you that. So this has the 64 megapixel triple camera, and it has the dual tone flash as well, and this is the triple camera setup here. Okay, so on the front side you can see this is the in-display front camera, and here on the left side of the phone we have the volume rocker, volume up and down. We have the SIM tray and the SIM ejection hole. On the right side we have the power button, and the power button won't serve as a fingerprint scanner because in this device we have the in-display fingerprint scanner. And on the bottom we see that it has 3.5mm jack. We have a secondary mic, and we have the charging port, and we have the speaker grill, and on the top part we have the mic as well. So that's it about the physical appearance or the physical design of this device. Now we'll go and do the boot up of this device. Okay, so let's go and do the boot up of this device. We'll be pressing this power button for around 1, 2, 3, 4 or 5 seconds, and it will start the boot up. Okay, so now our device is booting up. Okay, pretty decent animation there. Cool. Okay, so this is our boot up of this device, and we'll go in and we'll not waste a lot of time. We'll just go and check the details. So when we go into the settings, at the very bottom of the page we have this about phone. So in that you can check that this device is Realme X7 Max. It has a Realme version, UI version, that is 2.0. It has Android 11. The processor is Dimensity 1200 octa-core processor, 12GB RAM as I mentioned earlier, and it has 256 of total device storage. It is a dual SIM phone, and yeah, that's it. So we'll be showing you Android 11 animation here. Yeah, okay, cool. You can check the security patch, it is the latest one, and yeah, that's it. So yeah, that was the unboxing of our phone, the Realme Max phone, and in the upcoming videos we can make a comparison of the camera quality and the processor speed and app opening and app retention things. So stay tuned, and please like my videos, please subscribe to my channel, share it with your friends and family so that they can also have a look at such videos, and I can be motivated to make such more videos here. So here is the first glimpse of how the phone would perform. And here you can check, you can use this 20x scale zoom, and This is how the photos would look like. See, that is the 20x one, that is the 3x one, this is I think 1x, this is 3x, this is 5x, and this is 20x. Yeah, so stay tuned, we'll go there, we'll go into the performance and battery performance and speed of this device. So yeah, take care, ciao, please be safe, like, share, subscribe, and have a good night, good day, good evening, and take care of yourselves. Ciao, bye bye, see you next time.